Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on syncing your Amazfit watch to Google Fit. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Zepp app on your phone and tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Tap Add Accounts. Select Google Fit from the options. Tap Google Username and then choose the Google account that you would like your Amazfit watch to sync to. Review and accept the permissions that pop up. If you tap on your Google account name here, you will be brought to your account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.